Introduce highlight features or overview summary for AgiiMan Portable Sauna Box, Portable Infrared Sauna for Home with 3-liter Steamer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 15-level heating. Experience a 3-liter high-capacity sauna steamer equipped with a 1200-watt heating element offering 15 distinct heating levels. The enhanced thickened outlet tube optimizes temperature conditions, enabling it to reach a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius in just 8 minutes. The convenient remote control allows you to effortlessly adjust temperature and timer settings without having to leave the sauna box. Upgraded large space sauna box. Measuring an ample 2.6 x 2.6 x 5.9, this oversized infrared home sauna comfortably accommodates adults of varying body types. Sit comfortably on the chair with ample legroom for effortless stretching. The built-in transparent window offers a panoramic view, while the openable window can be directly opened for a breath of fresh air, providing you with an unparalleled full-body sauna and home spa experience. Safe and durable. Crafted from high-density sealing materials and waterproof canvas, this portable sauna for home excels in heat retention, insulation, and ease of cleaning. It's free from unpleasant chemical odors. The steam generator is made of premium 304 stainless steel, ensuring rust resistance and durability. Featuring leak-proof technology and automatic power-off protection when the water level is low, dual safeguards ensure your safety. Relaxation and wellness. Indulge in steam to rejuvenate and experience a multitude of health benefits, including detoxification, improved blood circulation, stress relief, pain alleviation, enhanced immune system, and improved skin tone. When fatigue sets in after a long day, unwind in the comfort of your personal sauna at home. Embrace your personal infrared sauna experience with utter relaxation. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.